Hello, my name is Rimantas, I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today we're going to learn one very beautiful chant. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare, Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. From the beginning I will play and sing this chant, and after that I will show you the chords. Let's start. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare, Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare, Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare, Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare, Jai Jai Govinda Hare, 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 Jai Jai Gopala Hare, Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. And repeat again, again and again. Now, chords. Chords that we will need in this chant. AM, C, EM, AM. Its first part. Let's try it together. AM. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Ha. C. Hare Narayana. EM. Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Ha. AM. Hare. One more time. AM. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Ha. C. Hare Narayana. EM. Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Ha. AM. Hare. Now second part. Chords. Chords that we will need. G, EM, AM, G, EM, AM, C, G, AM, C, G, AM. Now let's try together, slowly. Second part. Jai Jai G, Govinda Hare, Jai Jai EM, Gopala Ha. AM. Hare Jai Jai G, Govinda Hare, Jai Jai EM, Gopala Ha. AM. Hare Jai Jai C, Govinda Hare, Jai Jai G, Gopala Ha. AM. Hare Jai Jai, C, Govinda Hare, Jai Jai, G, Gopala, A.M. And now let's try from the beginning together slowly. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Jai Jai Govinda Hare. 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 Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Now what to do with the right hand? The most easiest way is to do it like that. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Another way, faster. What we're doing like that. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Govinda Hare. Narayan Narayan Jai Jai Gopala Hare. Jai Jai Govinda Hare. 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 Jai Jai Gopala Hare. From the beginning, it will be easier for you to learn first only chords, and after that, of course, you can sing together with chords. So basically that's all. If you'll have any question related to this chant, feel free to write it in the comment section. I hope that this video will be helpful for you, and thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe to this channel to see more new videos, new mantras, and hope to see you again. Thank you and goodbye.